definitely want to do the land conservation here. Now, I was thinking we shouldn't come here because, one, golf courses probably use pesticides, right? I would imagine. Guess I could call and ask. But they also, the power lines run right here. Now, this is the only spot where I could get like woods and be in nature. So I guess I have no choice. But can't escape the 5G, huh?